Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you on how to create token on Phantom Chain. Click on, so this is remix.org. It's an online IDE where you can create token on the Ethereum chain. So now go to this place. After you have loaded this page, remix.ethereum.org, click on file. Then this file, I will name this file Phantom Dev for the purpose of this training. phantomdev.sol. So please, I do not advise you to go and create a scam token. This is just for knowledge purpose. So once you name it, then click on enter. A tab will be shown by the right side. So you have it there. So what I'll be doing here is taking a code I've written before on my dividend token. You can see it by the left. So I'm going to copy the code here and paste it on this one. Then I will show you what to edit to have your own personalized token. So I click on dividend.sol. That is a token I've written before. So I copy the old token here. Right click and copy, or you click on Ctrl A to copy all, and then Ctrl C. Ctrl A to highlight all, I mean to say, then Ctrl C. Then go back to Phantom Dev tab here. Follow my arrow. Click on Phantom Dev.sol. So come here, then click on Ctrl V from your laptop. Ctrl V would drop all the code here. So you have it here. So this is the code I've written before for a token. So if you want to personalize this code now, just go to scroll down where you can change the token to your own. So I'm just perusing throughout the code now. So keep scrolling down. Here you have it. Line code 421 Bermuda Testnet. You right click on Bermuda Testnet and you have four options. Click on change all occurrences to change the name. So anywhere the name is existing on the code will be changed. So change it to whatever you want. On this one, I'll be changing it to Phantom Dev. Phantom Dev. So I have it there. FANTOM. Phantom Dev. So the next thing I will change. The next thing I will change now is the ticker. You have a opportunity to change the ticker, the name, and the supply you want. You can decide all these things by yourself. So keep going down. You have the supply here. You can add as much as 0 you want. The way it is here, you can leave it. You'll be having 1 million. So the ticker now, I'm changing the ticker now. That is Bermuda token. I'm changing the name again, actually. I'll change the name again. Phantom Dev here. On line 437. Line code 437. Then you see the ticker under. I'll be changing it to FTMD, Phantom Dev token. You can put anything you want there. Just don't forget to put change all occurrences. Then the decimal, you can put anything. That's for line code 439. the decimal, you put 431, you put 18, 9, or anything you want. The existing one was 3, so I'll be putting 18 here. So we've done that. So we are done with every changes. I think you can see all the changes now. The string private name, phantom dev, ftmd. So you can see everything has been changed. So the next thing to do is to go to compile this code and see if we are okay. So watch my arrow, go to the left and click on Solidity Compiler. Click on the compiler, just the way I'm doing here. Click on the compiler. So choose the compiler that is compatible with the code you pasted. Scroll up and check. I think the compiler is Pragma 6. So you scroll down on this compiler version and take 6. Pragma Solidity 6, so 0.6. So you go do the same thing on this place. Scroll down and choose 6. 612, good one. So Solidity compile, choose everything the way I choose it there. Solidity, the language Solidity. Then the next one, put compiler default. Then you can now compile. Scroll down and compile. Choose compile, then click on compile. Phantom dev.so, compile it. So you should have a green mark by the left. Okay, it's compiling. As you can see, it's compiling. Once it's compiled finish, you have a green light by the left. If you have red mark, means you have an issue with your code. Okay. Here you have it. So you have the green mark by the left. That means your code is okay. Then compilation successfully. So you can see it there. So you click on this for deployment purpose. So click on the next logo for deployment, just below the compile. So this is the deploy and run transaction page. So here now, this JavaScript VM London, click on it and change it to injected web3. Before now, I hope you have watched my earlier video on how to set up Phantom MetaMask wallet. If you have not, kindly go back to my page and check for that. So go to the left, the JavaScript VM, change it to injected web3. So choose injected web3 here. So it will prompt the MetaMask to open by default. You can see. So to ask for password and every other thing, you give it in. We just connected our MetaMask account to this remix.org IDE. Now the next thing is to deploy our contract. Leave every other thing the way they are and go to contract. Under contract, scroll down and check. Make sure you are clicking on phantom dev-phantomdev.sol. Don't choose address, don't choose other contract, choose the third one. Make sure you change it, else you will not have your token. See, you have contract there, address, and phantom dev and other ones. Make sure you choose phantom dev phantom dev. Then click on the deploy button, the orange deploy button by the left. So this will initiate another MetaMask transactions, telling you the fees, and you accept it for the transaction to continue. So if you see by the left, by the down, you'll be seeing creation of phantom dev pending. So it's trying to prompt the MetaMask. Once MetaMask show up now, you accept the transaction and go ahead to deploy the contract. Here we have it. MetaMask is loading. So we have 0.606111175 phantom. Confirm the transaction and you get it deployed on the phantom chain. So it's deploying now. It's deploying. So it's still pending. Once it deploys, you see the contract hash address by the left. Likewise, under the IDE2, you see it there. Here we have it. See the green mark. It shows the transaction details. So likely by the left, you see the phantom dev at. See the point. This point I'm clicking now. That is the address. If you copy this address now, you go to the phantom chain and check if the contract has been deployed already or not. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm on the phantom FTM scan now to find out if the token has been deployed or not. So I'll paste the address on this hash, the address I copied earlier. This was an old transaction. Okay, so I'm checking it now. Still having small network issue. Okay, I have it here. So this is the contract creator. This is the token I created. This is phantom dev. As you can see, I'll click on it now, so it will show us how many token was created. See, phantom dev token is being created. 1 million of it is created. Address, the contract address. So we've just created our token. Meanwhile, it is on testnet. The same thing happened if you want to do it. If you want to create on mainnet, you just need to change the network ID from testnet to mainnet. So your deployment will go direct to the mainnet instead of testnet. Now, if you want to get this token to our MetaMask wallet now, we'll copy the contract address and paste it on MetaMask to import the numbers of this token to our wallet too. I know most of us can do this. So we are on MetaMask here now. Paste the address here. So you see all this is the contract address. So the symbol and the token figure will come out. Just click on add custom token. You have your token there. FTMD, this is phantom dev token. See, so import token, you see everything clear. So subscribe to this channel for more educational videos. Thank you for watching. Have your phantom dev here. Don't forget to subscribe.